Alright people, this is my bike. Got a Redline Device Corrali frame, limited edition. Thing's pretty sick. Kink Badger bars with ODI grips, Coalition stem, Animal headset in purple, Redline Device forks with the sweet Skag sticker. I got a McNeil front hub, some silver stainless spokes, sun rim, and fit TWW tire. Let's come over here. I got Shadow Scream sprocket. It's just temporary because my other one bent. Got purple fit PC pedals, Redline Device cranks. Had them for like 3 years. They're freaking amazing. McNeil fat capital seat with an animal post. Yep. Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Had that for like 3 years too. Best chain ever. Primo Mix cassette. A little dirty, but it's all good. Latest to an E-clat rim with the same tire in the front. Animal pegs. And I'll get back to you guys after Christmas.
Standing alone in the crowd, did you give up when I was nowhere to be found? Did you get tired of being left all alone? Do you feel better now that you're on your own? There's nothing without you. The days once had are through. Confused, but I won't give up on you tonight. All I see is your face now on everyone else, and now I know how scared you were all by yourself. When the phone rings, do you ever hope that it's me? Dream of a day when we will still be. There's no